What's going on, everyone? Thank you so much for checking out this video. So today we're going to go over my top 3 favorite wedding lenses that I use to shoot weddings. Let's begin. So at number 1, of course, is the Canon 24-70 f2.8 Mark II. This is a favorite amongst wedding photographers. This thing is the best focal length that you can use for receptions, ceremonies, portraits, whatever you want. This lens is just absolutely beautiful. It is one of my favorites. I've had this for about 4 years now. Again, I just can't say enough good things about this lens. So coming in at number 2 for my top 3 favorite lenses is the Canon 35 1.4. Now this lens is absolutely amazing. The bokeh at 1.4, so creamy, so beautiful. One of my favorite lenses to use for portraits. I use it also a lot for detail shots of the reception. I also use it for detail shots of the groomsmen and bridesmaids getting ready, and also the bride's dress. And my last top lens is the newly purchased Canon 85 1.4 IS. This thing is just incredible. I believe Canon just released this in 2019, I want to say. I could be wrong. I just picked this up at the end of last year, so I only shot one wedding with this so far, but I have to say this is easily becoming my favorite lens thus far. This lens could also possibly replace my 70-200. Even though it's a prime lens, I have not been using my 70-200 for a few weddings now, and a lot of these bigger focal length prime lenses have been taking its place, like the 100mm that I have and this 85. And again, 1.4 is just incredible. Like, look at that. Lets in so much light. I love using this for personal portraits of the bride and the groom and them together. Again, I just got it about the end of last year, so I haven't done too many weddings with this lens, but I am very excited to use it for this year, and I plan to use it a ton more, and I'll definitely give you guys an update later in the year about this lens. So there you go. There are my top 3 favorite lenses to use for weddings. I know it was a really short video. I didn't do anything really technical about it. Just went through my top 3 favorite lenses, and let me know what your top 3 favorite lenses are. Hope you guys liked this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, please, and comment below any questions or whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in my next video.